Okay, I thought I'd take a swing at this thing. I'm going to go into CAD tools, and now this is just a demonstration. This isn't necessarily how I would do this because I don't have a clear conception of exactly what you want to do, but I've got this polyline in plan view, and I'm going to convert it to a 3D molding polyline. And I'm going to draw the thing I want to attach to it, the molding profile. I'm just going to draw that a little short. Now we want a 10-degree angle. See, it's 90. This is a 10-degree angle. You couldn't possibly have meant 10 degree. 10 degrees would be like something like that. Yeah, there's 15. Nah, I think I read in your post you wanted 15 degrees. I mean 10 degrees, excuse me. The concept I got was something like that. Anyway, you draw the molding profile, the distance you want, I mean the angle you want. Let's see. I want this thing, yeah, make it 9 feet long. Okay. Now I'm going to add that to the library. There it is. My library browser's off on my other monitor. Here we go. I'll rename this. I don't know what to call it. We'll call it, just give it a name so it's unlike these other moldings here. Okay, the point of that is so I, whoops. We'll get rid of that. I've got it in the library now. Now we open this, the dialog box for this, and it comes in with this default molding on it, which I'm going to delete. I don't need or want it. We'll take and add that molding that I just added. Should be in here. There it is, test. Okay. Now let's take a look at this. Overview. There we go. Okay. I click on that, and I want it inside, I think. You'll see what inside does in this case. Yeah, that's what I had in mind. You wanted slanted walls. Well, there's some slanted walls. The problem with this, in terms of using it for an enclosure, is putting a door in it. I suppose I could put brakes here and so forth. Well, maybe not. Yeah, okay. Try that again. There. Probably not a good idea. Let me do this in plan view. Easier to do there. Put a couple of brakes to isolate a segment of that line there. We turn the molding off on that, but it turns the whole thing off over here in the General tab. Go back to the camera view. So, putting windows and doors and this sort of thing is not something I would care to do. I probably could have more carefully drawn this thing and maybe gotten a little more thickness in there, but putting windows in here, doors, of course I could set this material to screen or something like that. That's probably, with walls like that, it's probably going to be screen. I'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to go over here to the library material. And let's see, what do I want? I want miscellaneous materials. Type in M for material. Now, here we go. Miscellaneous. Oh, I'm sorry, not miscellaneous. Masonry and stone blocks. And decorative blocks. We want from that glass block. It's commonly used for this. Now, I'm going to click on plan material now and edit this. we'll make that, I'm just demonstrating here. I'm going to change the line pattern, and then I want that inch piece to be 4 and 4 instead of 32 and 32. Then we'll go over to the properties and make it transparent, and take a look at that. It kind of looks like screen. I'm in a vector view camera. Let me go to, yeah. I did a screen enclosure for a custom house in Florida this way, or something like this. But ChiefsNet's not real natively good on doing slanted walls. Maybe X5, 6, 7, something like that. But for now, it'd have to be something like this. Yeah, make that not quite so transparent. Anyway, you get the idea. And then you could put another molding polyline up here, or roof planes, or I don't, however you wanted to do it. I think this would be a lot easier to put together for a screen enclosure than actual slanted walls. For slanted walls, you could use polyline solids that you drew at a slant and put them together like Tinker Toys. There's always more than one way to do certain things like this, but I thought I'd do this little short video and kind of give you the idea, and then you can take the ball and run with it. Thank you.